LTD-torque Precision Company Limited. LTD Precision Company Limited adheres to the mission. Established in 2000, LTD Precision Company Limited upholds the spirit of putting our customers first, always meet customer needs, and provides the best customer service as its principles, meeting the customer's satisfaction as our ultimate goal. It specializes in the OEM of comprehensive machining centers and CNC lathe. The company, which experienced traditional industry in the initial stage, carried out each step in great caution, further developed to the professional high-tech industry of precision technology and potential development, and specializing in manufacturing of various high-tech torque wrenches, and has become the best industrial torque wrench manufacturer that has a complete and consistent process in Taiwan. Complete and consistent quality inspection process. LTD owns a modern professional factory with a spacious, bright, ordered environment to keep working smoothly and meets the high standards of ISO 9001-2000. The advanced equipment in the factory are all from the well-known manufacturers in the world, with excellent capability in processing and manufacturing. With the industry's most advanced production and calibrating equipment, products from design, sampling, feeding, processing, product inspection, to packing. The whole processes are under the inspection of trained quality control personnel in order to minimize the variables that may affect the precision so as to ensure the high precision torque products. The production is in full transparency, standardized, and the product quality is reliable. We also actively engaged in fully automatic production to achieve the goal of enhancing product quality together with punctual delivery. We insist on providing our customers with the fastest service and doing our best to fully meet customers' demands. The diversified products and services. The accumulation of production experience and investment in the new product development activities make LTD Precision Industry absolutely advantageous and capable, whether in product design and development or production assembly. Our major products and services can be divided into the following categories. Major processing projects, all kinds of precision machining parts, all kinds of sheet metal design and processing, OEM, ODM product development and manufacture. Main products, construction ratchet wrench, all kinds of professional ratchet wrench, high precision torque tools, and other hand tools. Hopes and prospects. LTD will continue to develop more professional high-precision torque products. All employees are dedicated to the professional technology and equipment. The achievement of goals is just around the corner.